I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you've been overcharged on Xbox Live, getting a refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and log in with the account you used for your Xbox Live purchase. This is essential for tracking your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Order History. Once logged in, find the Order History section. This will show all your recent purchases and charges, including any overcharges. Step 3. Identify the overcharge. Look through your order history for the transaction that appears incorrect. Make sure to note the date and amount of the charge for refunds. Step 4. Request a refund. Select the transaction and look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request, providing any necessary details about the overcharge. Step 5. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation from Microsoft. They will inform you whether your refund has been approved or if they need more information. If you don't see the refund in your email within a few days, check your spam folder, as sometimes these messages can end up there. I hope this helps you get your money back quickly.